Thina munene ucungagiriria kihora gia thitima bururi-ini ni kambuni ya utambia wa thitima ya Kenya Power gukorwo ehoceti utungata ucio hari thitima ya waya cia gucuria ikenge iguru na iria icungagiriria githagathago kinene riria ciagwirwo ni miti kana riria mitambo iyo yahotomio ni mbura nene. Kurumirira thina uyu riu kambuni ya kwarira miako ya utambia wa thitima ya Ketraco ni ruguritie tabarira ya thitima ya kuumbikwo tiriini na iria ni ya uraihu wa kilomita 7 na iria rerigirirwo kuhuthagirwo riria mitambo ya utambia wa thitima cia gucuria ikenge-ini yakorwo ikigomerwo ni ithingithi.
The geo which we have about 600 in Olkaria will not be able to evacuate using the all line, but with now this one evacuating and the other one evacuating, right now we can balance on that. So most of the generators which have been running here, especially on Athi River, with the completion of this line now, the usage will go down. And even Mombasa.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria tabarira ino, Minister wa hinya Charles Keter augite tabarira ino ni kurehe kiguni kinene hari uthii wa na mbere wa bururi na makiria kuhura njeki ruhonge rwa iganda na uguo kwadandura mieke ya mawira na kuguciriria aigithia.
We are dealing with it this morning with the Prime Minister of Ethiopia. They have completed their part of the Ethiopia. Our part we are doing about 72% overall. The converter station, I think we are doing almost 52%. That is a line from Ethiopia coming all the way to Suswa.
Tabarira ino ni imwe ya matina matatu ma tabarira iria ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere ni thirikari cia kugacirithia hinya wa thitima kugerera laini nene ya kuma Nairobi nginya gicua-ini na iria ikoretwo ikihuthira kimanjika gia ciringi bilioni 16.9.